Here we are back at the home page. We were just looking at the gradebook, and you'll notice that that same overall score shows up on the home page under grades. There's also an announcement spot and a messages spot, but because the majority of our interaction will be done in Canvas, you won't see me posting any announcements here. You should be checking our Canvas classroom for announcements. Well, we've talked about the homework, and we also talked about the quizzes, so I also want to take some time to show you the resources that are available in ConnectMath. If you click on resources, you'll find that there are practice problems, but I've assigned homework problems that are specific to each of our quizzes, and you'll also see those then again reflected on our exams. But the videos will be really helpful. So you'll notice that there's a couple of lecture videos for each section. For some chapters, I will have my own lecture videos. For other chapters, the expectation is that you will watch the videos in ConnectMath. So for chapter 1, for example, you'll want to watch the videos here, and you can go through each of the sections. Most of them are very short videos, 5-minute videos or so. And you can watch just the videos that you need to get some additional help, maybe as you're working through the homework or something. There's also some reference materials. So if I click on reference here, there are some data sets. I believe the formulas are also here. And there's also a tutorial. This is the same tutorial that shows up when you initially start one of the homework sets. You'll get this very same tutorial, and you can view it again if you want to. Course files are here, but again, since we're using the Canvas classroom, I won't be posting files here. I'll be posting any files most likely to the Canvas classroom. If I post something here, I will let you know. Over here is the ebook. So this is the full textbook. That's why you did ConnectMath Plus instead of ConnectMath Basic. So you'll see the icon here at the very bottom for our textbook. This would be the front of the paper version. If I click on the ebook, it will bring up the entire textbook for me to look through. I don't know if you remember, but in the homework set, the homework also brought up some, let me click that one more time, there it is. So the homework also brought up links to the textbook pages, which is a really efficient way to look at the ebook. But if you click on the ebook icon, this is a way to look at the entire ebook. So here I am in chapter 3, and I can go through. It gives me the objectives, it gives me each of the sections, and let's see, if I click on one of these, it will take me right to 3.2. I can also jump to one of the sections. It does give you a drop-down menu here, but this doesn't always work for me for some reason. But if you do go to the initial section, then you can go ahead and work through the objectives that way. So a really good way to work through the textbook is to go to the contents, find the chapter that you're looking for, and then if you scroll down, I went too far, in the chapter the initial chapter page, which I am right here, you'll notice that each of these are links, and I can go ahead and link to 2.2 and 2.3 and 2.4. So again, that's going right through the contents and then the chapter, and then I can go ahead and click on whichever section I want to click on. So I would probably want to start here on 3.1, and then I can work my way through. And you can work through, you can read through the problems, you can take a look at just the examples. The book has excellent examples. It's a very thorough textbook, which makes it an excellent book for an online course. So that's the ebook. You can use it as much or as little as you want, but do know that the ebook is also attached, and I'll show you one more time here, it's also attached to your homework sets. And it's a much more efficient way to read your textbook if you don't want to read each of the textbook pages. So for example, if you didn't know how to find the boundaries of a value, you could find that description right in the textbook, and it will just take me right to the textbook page there. And you can then find the boundaries here. It took you right to chapter 1. So that's another way to work through it. You'll find other additional resources in the Canvas classroom, so don't forget about the Canvas classroom. That's where you'll find the videos that I have made for the course.